Kumar, and I am the mentor of the project. I am working as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department, and this is the salt harvester project. Initially we carried out the survey from SSV Salt Thoothukudin, and two students were carried out the work with me. One is Karthikeyan, final year mechanical engineering, and another one Gautam Srikumar, also he is also a final year mechanical engineering student. Now the remaining things will be explained by Karthikeyan.
Start. So good morning. So this is our project of salt harvester, and the major components of the salt harvester are it contains a scraper and a chassis which holds the scraper, and the support structure which contains the conveyor with the bucket. So it is given power through the hydraulic motor which we have set up here, and this one is a bin in which the salt gets collected. So the function of this salt harvester is that when this one is attached to the hitch of the tractor, and the height of the salt which is to be collected can be adjusted on the tractor, and when the tractor moves forward, the salt gets scrapped and will be moving in the scraper, and it moves towards the the bucket conveyor which is given through the power, and once it rotates and the salt is put into the bin. So the bin has a perforated sheet at the bottom so that the water is drained completely, and so once it is done, we can unload the salt in the storage place where we used to store the salts, and it can hold up to 200 to 250 kilograms of salt at a time. And this power pack, the use of this power pack is the newly manufactured tractors have the valves of it contains two hydraulic valves, but in older ones there is only one single valve, so it can be given through the DC power supply, and the operation can be processed using that. So it is an 1.5 kilowatt power pack, and it has a switch which is up down and which can be operated simply by a man, and the main advantage of this project is there is no requirement of manpower, and it helps to save nearly 7 to 8 people of manpower a day. And the process of attaching it to the tractor and detaching is very easy when compared to the other equipments which is given in the salt harvester nowadays. And it contains a 4P40 control valve which is used to do the operation, and the bucket has a hydraulic cylinder at the bottom which is used to unload and deload the salt which is collected here, and both the operations are operated with the 4P40 control valve. So that is the working of the salt harvester. Thank you. The upward and downward movement is used by the hitch, and then now the next one is the bucket conveyor which is operated using the 4P40 directional control valve, and then the cylinder is used for the opening and closing of the bucket. So these are the functions of this salt harvester. And the 4P40 is a directional control valve which is used to distribute the hydraulic power which is taken from the tractor. So it is used for both the operations of a bucket conveyor as well as the hydraulic cylinder for opening and closing of the storage tank, and it can be operated at the same time. Both the operations can be done at the same time because we are using the directional control valve. So thank you.